Structured is a great way to keep track of your habits as well. For example, over here you have wake up and then go to bed, as you can see right here. If you want to go ahead and change that out, then you can simply go ahead and change the timing of go to bed. So let's say, for example, you go for 11 p.m. right here. You can go ahead and update out all of the tasks right here. And then every day, what happens is that you got 11 p.m. right here, just like this. So now what you can also do is you can add in other habits you may have. Like, let's say, for example, you go for coffee break in a certain time. Let's say, for example, you go to coffee break every 12 p.m. right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go for 12 p.m. itself. So this is just a reminder. Or maybe you take around 15 minutes right here, or 10 minutes for the coffee break. So you can go ahead and say coffee break right here, just like this. And then what happens is that I can go ahead and then choose what I have. So let's say, for example, I can go ahead and select out something related to it right here. So there's different things, as you can see right here. So there's the coffee mug right here. Click on create task, and that is what you have. So similarly, you can go ahead and add in habits such as what you have right here to keep track of them as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize Structured for habit tracking as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.